Hi, girl. Hi.
Alright, let's see you jump off, Luke.
Yeah.
Look at Gemma. Way to go! How'd that feel?
Daddy, that was unexpected.
Yeah? Here goes Gracie.
Gemma, ready?
Go for it.
Gemma. No, you gotta sit closer to me. Don't fall yet. Come on. Get back up.
These are some big drifts. Here we go.
Luke, come on. Jump up.
Oh, the triple.
Jump. Luke, you got right here. Sit right here. No. We want to make it fall. No, I don't want to fall.
Alright, here we go.
Right here. Sit right here. Sorry.
Go for it, Gracie.
Ah. Oh no. Ah! Watch it, Daddy!
Go for it, Luke.
Daddy, I don't want my hat.
You need it. You gonna jump? Oh, jeez. How was that?